When you have a business, you need to make sure that you have a clear direction, you're reaching your potential, you're focused on what is important, you're accountable, confident, and you have a winning mindset. If you're like most business owners, you want to fast track your success and your growth while avoiding mistakes. You want to reach for the next level in not only your business, but your personal life as well. You want to experience change, be inspired, and enjoy a better quality of life. In today's podcast episode, I'm diving into the one thing that your business may be missing. The one thing that could help you achieve all of your goals in your business. The one thing that could change not only your business, but your personal life as well. And I'm going to help make sure that you have this one thing in place so that you can reach the potential you have in your business and your personal life as well. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. Listen in and see how you can change your life. How you can start to take action so that you can show up in your business and your life the way that you want to. It's time to level up. You deserve this, and you are in charge of making these changes in your life. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. When you're starting or growing a side hustle or a business, it can be difficult. There's a lot to consider, and you might find yourself wondering if you're making the right decisions or setting the right goals. Many entrepreneurs do this on their own, and they experience frustration and overwhelm. But when you work with a coach, you can get the support that you need to get to the next level by gaining the skills you need to achieve your business and your personal goals. You might be thinking that having a coach is only for certain business owners, but think about it. Most of the world's most successful people have coaches to accelerate their growth and help them meet their goals. Investing in yourself is a necessity. Investing in coaching helps you to show up in your business and your personal life the way that you want to. You deserve to invest in yourself, and you are worthy of having a coach to inspire you, get excited about your future, and change your life. A coach will help you see your potential and hold you accountable. You'll be more inclined to stick to your actions when you know you have someone who's helping you to follow through and providing you motivation to keep you on track. You'll set SMART goals as well as the milestones that you need to follow to ensure that you're on the right path to reach your goals. They help you to create a schedule so that you can get clear on how to manage your time effectively while being productive and focusing on the activities that produce the most significant results. You gain the ability to organize your highest priority tasks and get everything you need to get done in a timely manner while staying organized and maintaining systems so that you can be efficient. For my business clients, when they're struggling with their business plan, I help them through it, as well as make changes whenever necessary to pivot and help ensure they're implementing the actions needed to achieve success by creating a strategic growth plan. I make sure that they're heading in the right direction and sticking to their business plan so they can reach their goals in the fastest and most direct way possible. And I make sure that they're always learning and growing as an individual. We fast-track their growth by avoiding mistakes while executing actions to reach their goals and propel their business forward. I hold their feet to the fire when they need to do something that they're afraid to do and help them navigate through challenges or obstacles that come up and stay on track to meet their goals. Overwhelm can often lead to distraction, procrastination, and lack of motivation. I help my clients stay focused and on track to achieve better results while creating positive habits. Overall, I hold my clients accountable for what really matters so they can improve their performance and their profitability. You get unbiased insight and perspective from a coach who is invested in your success. Unlike friends or family who feel like they need to tell you what they think you want to hear, when you work with a coach like me, I'll help to offer insights and dig deep to reveal situations that may be holding you back or identify problems that you're unaware of while increasing your self-confidence. I hear my clients say that they struggle with not knowing what they don't know, and they appreciate the perspective I can offer. As a coach, I offer constructive, unbiased criticism. When you have a coach, they'll help you to see your blind spots and gain a fresh perspective. I help my clients see how their thoughts are holding them back from reaching their goals. I know what their wants, needs, and their desires are in both their business and their personal lives, and I help them achieve them. Creating a work-life balance you can enjoy is another reason to work with a coach like me. Often business owners will feel guilty when not working in their business, and also guilty when not spending time with their families. It can be a no-win situation on both sides. Working with a coach can help ensure that you've set up boundaries and you follow through with them. You can create a positive mindset that allows you to grow your business with confidence. You gain greater clarity and focus. It helps you think differently so that you can go from where you are now to where you want to be in the future, while incorporating both your long-term and your short-term goals. What are the goals you're longing for? Do you want more free time? Do you want to travel more? Do you need to have more family time? Investing in yourself is the best investment you can make in your life. Some of the reasons my clients start coaching with me are when they're just starting their side hustle or business, when they're not clear about their purpose or what they should be doing next, when they need help with building a solid business foundation, when they struggle with communicating what their business is all about, who it's for, or they're not getting the sales they need to grow. They suffer from imposter syndrome, perfectionism, self-doubt, or they just simply need additional support in their business or their personal life. When you work with me, you get the results you're looking for in the simplest, easiest, and fastest way possible. I help shorten the learning curve for you. We tap into your potential, clarify what your ideal future in your business and your personal life is, and I provide direction, purpose, and focus so that you have more energy and motivation to achieve it. Over time, you'll learn to trust yourself and lead with confidence in your business and your personal life. Having a coach like me helping you in both your business and your personal life is not a luxury. It's a necessity that you must have. I listen to my clients. I give them personal attention, help them move outside their comfort zone, move their dreams into a reality, help with feelings of frustration, anxiousness, worry, or unsatisfaction. My clients are ready to try new ideas and take risks. When you work with me, you no longer feel lonely or isolated in your business. You'll notice less conflict with yourself and your relationships. You'll develop more self-confidence, less procrastination, less disappointment, and you'll have more abundance and an overall well-being in your life. Your struggles are easier to handle, you'll feel happier, positive, and supported, and your quality of life is much greater. Hiring a coach like me in your business or your personal life is one of the best decisions you can make. So ask yourself, are you missing a coach in your business or your personal life? If so, one of my goals for this year is to help as many people as I can to experience what it's like to coach with me. I'm opening up additional time in my calendar, and I'm welcoming you to try a coaching session with me. I know many of you have no idea what it's like to have a coaching session or how valuable a coaching session can be for you. So I'm taking away any fears you may have had in the past by creating an opportunity for you to grow as a business owner. You have the opportunity to dip your toes in and see how you like coaching with an affordable introductory coaching session. I want you to see the potential possibilities that you can have with coaching. If you're ready to grab one of these sessions, you can go to financialadventure.com/intro and secure your introductory coaching session today. I'll post links where you're listening to this podcast as well. During your introductory coaching session, I'll spend the whole time coaching you on anything you'd like coaching on. I'm looking forward to working with you soon and helping you see the possibility and the benefits of coaching. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.